Hey guys, and on today's awesome giveaway, we have right here our latest winner. Now, no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up whatever you guys would like, which does include the battle pass. Anyways, let's just go and gift right away. Make sure to watch the entire video for the 3 steps coming up so you guys can sign up. Let's just go into item shop, take a look at the bundle, and we're gonna gift it away. So he wants the entire bundle. So we're gonna go on, select his name. We're gonna purchase to gift, sending gift, and then we're just gonna go back, click on his name again. It says owned, so that's how I know that he got it. Alright, and here it is, M-Pin wearing his awesome skin from the bundle. Congrats for winning. Now if you guys would like to sign up, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps.
Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in I want to win a free skin battle pass emote backlink. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.